As a photographer, light is one of your biggest tools you have to make imagery that is captivating and exciting and new. Hi, I'm Dallas. I'm a photographer and filmmaker working here in Brooklyn, New York. I've been working as a photojournalist for many years for outlets like Bust Magazine, High Country News, and The Village Voice. I started doing portrait photography because I love making art outside with my friends, and after years of doing photojournalism, I wanted to start creating the stories instead of just following them. I love being outdoors and making photography with my friends and with my subjects, and I hope that through this course, I can help guide you in learning how to use light in different and dynamic ways to make exciting and new compositions in your work as well. In this Skillshare class, we're going to be learning how to use outdoor light in new and interesting ways, using backlight, front light, and a few different props, and learning how to use light at different times of the day. Through editing time and studio time, I personally spend so much of my work as a photographer inside at this desk, and using light in new and different ways outdoors can just bring a whole new element to how you're able to engage with your photography. And another thing that I love about going outdoors is being able to make work with my friends and with new people who I haven't yet worked with. So right now I know a lot of you are spending a ton of time inside. I know I am. And I just want to really inspire everyone to get outside. This is a class that you can use right outside in your backyard or even from your window. Using light in new and interesting ways is something that you can use in the smallest spaces or the largest spaces. So someday, hopefully we'll be able to bring this out to the big, great outdoors. But for right now, let's just try it in your own backyard.